These headlines are just some of many about cannabis being smuggled out of Thailand. Such incidents are rapidly increasing, especially with the United Kingdom as the destination. Meanwhile, Thailand has gone through a tug of war to recriminalize the herb. UK and Thai authorities have entered a partnership to crack down on cannabis smuggling and have vowed to increase border control and law enforcement. Since Thailand decriminalized cannabis in 2022, the UK's National Crime Agency, or the NCA, has found unprecedented levels of cannabis smuggling by air passengers. Those arrested are mostly British nationals, but include some foreigners. According to the NCA, the number of air passengers smuggling cannabis and arrested in the UK jumped from 142 in 2023 to 801 in 1 year. This year alone, by the end of June, 600 smugglers had been arrested.
There's a misconception that Thai cannabis is much better than UK cannabis. Cannabis is cannabis. It's just that Thai cannabis is cheaper to grow and manufacture, so the profit for the crime groups appears to be greater, which is why the Thai cannabis is being used and smuggled. We're working very closely with Thailand, and I have to say they are doing an awful lot, our Thai partners, to try to prevent the volume of cannabis from leaving Thailand, and we are doing a lot in the UK as well. I think the volume is the issue, but with our collective work, we are starting to have an impact. More importantly, we're starting to ensure that the risk of getting caught is increasing and try to ensure that basically it's not worth the courier's time. And for the organised crime groups that are arranging this, your time is coming up for the cheap money.
Thailand itself has also seized large volumes of cannabis during the past year. The Thai Customs Department seized over 37,000 kilograms of cannabis between last October and June this year, worth 474 million baht. Punishment was revised on June 17th, where smugglers will now be fined 30,000 baht per kilogram of cannabis to discourage them.
เดิมเนี่ยของกลางเนี่ยเรายกของกลางคือเราไปจับแล้วให้เขาทิ้งของแล้วเขาให้เดินทางได้แต่เราเห็นว่าพอเราไปยึดของเขาแล้วเนี่ยเขาก็เลื่อนการเดินทางอีก3วันกลับมาใหม่ไปซื้อมาใหม่แล้วก็พยายามลักลอบใหม่ถูกจับใหม่ก็พยายามเพราะว่าราคาที่ต่างประเทศเนี่ยมันมีมูลค่าสูงเกิน40เท่าของราคาที่เมืองไทยทำให้ความพยายามในการลักลอบเนี่ยมันมีเพิ่มก็มาเปลี่ยนกติกาเมื่อวันที่17มิถุนายนที่ผ่านมาเนี่ยเพื่ออะไรครับไม่ได้ต้องการเงินค่าปรับแต่เพื่อให้เขาลดละความพยายามเพราะว่าถ้าไม่มีเงินจ่ายค่าปรับเนี่ยก็ต้องไปถูกฝากขัง
The scale of cannabis smuggling and the nature of the challenge itself highlights the importance of cooperation between the two countries.
The UK law enforcement has been working really closely with customs, immigration and police, so right across the law enforcement spectrum, and that's both in the airports but also in parcel and container freight, so all forms of potential trafficking. Well, I think unfortunately, as we find with all kinds of drugs, there is a demand in the general population, not just in Europe, across Europe, across the world. And so Thailand is one of those relatively few countries that have decriminalized it, is a source, and so the demand is tapping into that.
Thailand's decriminalization of cannabis in 2022 has drawn social backlash, raising concerns over side effects, availability for recreational use, and easy access for youngsters. Prime Minister Anutin Chanvirakul, who once pushed for the legalization back when he was the public health minister, has announced major changes. He said on Wednesday that the Public Health Ministry has drafted a new bill to restrict cannabis only for medical purposes, which he believes will provide more clarity on how the controlled herb should be used. Anutin stressed that cannabis is a controlled substance and smugglers must face legal action, regardless of where they are arrested. The crackdown on cannabis trafficking requires strong collaboration with international authorities to punish those accountable and to make drug smuggling much more difficult. Nat Bunag, Thai PBS World.